Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating historical gem here in Tacloban City, the Santo Niño Shrine. Come along as we uncover the story behind this iconic landmark. This shrine is dedicated to the Santo Niño, the Holy Child Jesus, who is the patron saint of Tacloban. The devotion here goes back to the Spanish colonial period. Check out this beautiful chapel. The image of Santo Niño here is a truly focal point for worshippers and visitors alike.
What's really interesting are these 13 guest rooms, each representing different regions of the Philippines. They're filled with luxurious furniture, artworks, and antiques from the Marcos era. Just look at this craftsmanship and detail. It's like a journey through the country's diverse cultural heritage.
This shrine also houses an impressive collection of religious artifacts. There's even a silver carriage used in religious processions. These pieces give us a glimpse into our rich religious traditions here in the Philippines.
The Santo Niño Shrine is also known Heritage Museum. It was built during the time of President Ferdinand Marcos. It was initiated by the First Lady Imelda Marcos, who's actually from Leyte. She started this project in 1970s and it was completed in 1981.
Beyond its religious significance, the shrine doubles as a museum. Here, you can see an array of historical items, from fine china and cutlery to intricate tapestries and paintings. These collections reflect the opulence of the Marcos era and provide a unique insight into that period.
Today, the Santo Niño Shrine is more than just a historical heritage. It's a symbol of Tacloban's rich history and cultural heritage. Despite the controversies surrounding its creation and Marcos regime, it remains an important cultural landmark.
So, there you have it. The Santo Niño Shrine is not just a place of worship. It's a window into our past. It tells a story of faith, culture, and history. Whether you're a tourist, a historian, or a local, this place has something special to offer.
Hi guys! Welcome to Santo Niño Shrine!
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Santo Niño Shrine. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more historical adventures. See you